The Hyundai Kona N key fob uses a CR2032 battery. To replace it, first turn off your vehicle. Use a plastic pry tool to gently open the fob case, inserting it into the seam between the top and bottom halves. Carefully twist to release the clips without forcing. Once open, remove the old CR2032 battery, noting the positive side up. Install the new battery in the correct orientation and snap the case back together, aligning the clips. Test the buttons to ensure functionality. If the remote doesn't work after a battery change, check for battery corrosion. Clean contacts with isopropyl alcohol. Test the battery voltage with a multimeter. Below 2.8 volts indicates a faulty battery. For persistent issues, try reprogramming. Hold the lock and unlock buttons for 10 seconds, then cycle the ignition. If the smart key not detected error appears, rule out interference from metal objects. For advanced issues, consider a factory reset via an OBD2 scanner or the Hyundai app, or seek dealer assistance.